Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
We're both here with our FabFitFun.
I don't want to say finally, but
sorry for being gone so long.
And it's very weird too because I didn't see my box today, and we both thought that we were getting them tomorrow on Thursday.
Even though it originally said today, and then it said tomorrow.
Yeah, Thursday.
Ooh.
And then it said today, and then I get home and my box isn't there, and it was really weird because my sister got my box delivered to her for some reason.
I didn't request it.
And we live really nearby, and the mail lady knows us.
Yeah, we love the mail lady.
Really, so really weird. Let me just throw this over here.
Anyway, so it comes with the magazine. I'm just poking through.
Oh, there's a crossword in there. That's what they were missing before if they didn't have that. I love crosswords.
It says family, friends, Sun, Sea, and FabFitFun. You deserve some summer fun. I'm giving you $15 off your first FabFitFun box. So we would pass that on to a friend.
And mine, I'm sure, looks the same messiness that hers does.
As you know, these cards, I'm just woo, I don't care about those cards.
It's a big box.
Okay, well, I'm going to say, in our videos, I don't know if I've ever said this before, but I like the ones where you can pick what you're going to get, because I'd rather get things that I want than get things I'm never going to use or that I don't want to ever get. So I'm happy that with this company, we can pick, I think, at least most, if not everything we're going to be getting.
Yeah,
customized.
A good portion of it you can choose yourself. And I think we might had similar likes. We might have picked some of the same things because we're into the same things, some of them. So
I guess we can hold up the similar ones first. So we both obviously picked this. It's purple. I can tell it's the same. Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask Generation Clay. And then actually, although some of the stuff, there are some other things that we don't get to choose, so this might be one of the things we didn't get to choose.
Yeah, because I don't really need a mask.
Because neither of us would have picked this.
It'll probably go in a giveaway because we don't need.
So
this I like just because I do use them. So grab this out.
Oh, these are
At least they're the same colors. I'm not gonna be the better color this time.
I don't remember picking this either.
Hair tie things. I think this came in everybody's. I think, but nude and clear. I think I've got purple, blue, black. You can tell I like them. So yeah, so I'm happy for those. Sometimes they'll pull out your hair if you're not sure if you kind of have to open it back up and then
go with this gold thing. Wish Powerfully Effective Naturals Coconut Milk Plus Verbena Exfoliating Foot Mask. I don't remember picking this
use
either.
Foot masks either really. But again, if
we're just not big on masks, but
we just we don't have time for masks. I wish we had time. So if not, we'll put it in a giveaway. And I was thinking we could do a giveaway at probably 150 subscribers since you guys have all hung in there and waited with all of us.
I know, and I'm overflowing with products. If you guys knew how much I had, you would.
How about this one? There's Grace and Stella's Spray All Day Rose Spray. It's a rose facial spray. That's pretty cool. I have some sprays, but I
have a rose toner over there that I'm using right now.
I like this one. Let's see, hydrating rose facial spray. As long as it's hydrating
all day.
Hydrating. Should we do? Did you get this one too?
Kula, yeah.
Kula Makeup Setting Spray SPF 30. I'm using the Super Goop one right now. I actually used it yesterday. My makeup was fabulous, and then we didn't get our box until today, so I'm not wearing much makeup.
I think I'm wearing the Kula.
But SPF 30, that's a good. I mean, I can't think of which one I'm wearing.
I gotta grab it real quick just because.
Cover it has 30 different. It says. Where is it? Oh, I'm sorry. Contains 70% organic ingredients, so that's cool.
I'm wearing that setting spray. I couldn't think of the name of it. Anyway, Cover FX. That's what I was trying to say. That's the setting spray I'm wearing.
And there's a Brazilian Bum Bum cream. This is the one that Kim is okay with. I don't know if you can see that. It also comes with this shower gel, and I get a lot of shower gels, but I really don't like shower gel normally because I just use a bar of soap or whatever I want at the time.
So what do you think I picked in place of that? This
probably. But being that it's this brand, I might try to use it, but if not, again, it'll go in a giveaway.
Okay, I'm guessing I picked this because I do love, liquid eyeliners. So this is Ico.
Unlike me.
I'm not sure if that's exactly if it was either this Sol de Janeiro or this, but I'm thinking maybe that was the category. It was either that, this, or something else, and this is what I chose with something I'm going to use. So
why don't you show the tie-dye bowls? I'll probably drop everything if I do this right now. I feel like.
And then we both picked the set of 3 indigo tie-dye bowls, West Elm. I don't know if I should take them out because I'm afraid I'm going to drop them too. They're kind of heavy. Kind of quite heavy.
I probably could take them out. Well, I mean, but I could.
Well,
you want to hand them to me or something?
Yeah, I'll just take one.
One of the heavier boxes that we've gotten,
Keep going through. Oh, they come on.
Some of those, Eva, Longoria, but
they're all.
Are they tied
they're
together?
All nestled together. I don't know.
I don't have any cute bowls anymore, so I just thought, like with designs. I thought this is cute.
And I like the way FabFitFun, yeah, is not just makeup and skincare, but you can pick like other, you know, things as well.
I like skincare, but oh, it's so tiny.
Yeah, they're little.
I didn't think it was
nesting
quite that.
bowls.
I didn't think it was quite that tiny.
But that'd be cute to like put in some little snacks and stuff like that. You can put in some nuts and like little.
That's cute.
I'm glad we got it.
We got the exact same brand. And then maybe I could show this one that we got the same. I've got little floofy stuff on it. But 2 silicone wine glasses. And I don't know why when I saw this, I thought it'd be like a actual glass inside of it, like as though they'd be like a slip over it. I don't know why. But they're literally just silicone.
So hopefully they're not breakable. I know they feel squishy. I can always already feel that they're squishy.
I don't know how they would break. They're literally, I wonder if I can take more out. Let's grab it. But we were excited because we do like to have an occasional glass of wine. That's so loud. Yeah, so it's just a wine glass. So it looks like this. But it's totally squishy.
And it says it's dishwasher and microwave safe. MDPA free, that's important.
That's awesome.
And then you usually have one thing left, right?
Yeah, I think I just have my mystery choice, which I can't remember what I got.
And again, I don't know if this was in the same category, but
did I have a choice of what I was like, I can't remember what I would have picked. I know I didn't need a robe because I think I got that in my last
spiritualgangster.com. It's the Maya kimono, so I was like, I'll go ahead and get that as my.
So I don't remember getting this one, like picking this one. I'll have to see if like maybe they ran out of whatever I would have picked because I don't think I would have picked a makeup item. That does not seem like me. If you guys know me at all, I wouldn't have picked something with makeup. That's just weird to me because I don't wear much makeup.
So this is what I got. It was like
I can open this.
A little kimono. But I thought you could only wear it like indoors, but I saw like, you know, when you watch their video of it, the models are wearing it outside with like, you know, jeans and things like that. So it's kind of cute.
This is like cool, but I don't remember picking a makeup thing, so I'll have to see, as I said. But just to give you an idea, try not to touch out the colors. That's what it looks like if you couldn't see it. Yeah, that's just weird to me because I was like, I don't remember.
Well, that's why I'd rather pick like in, you know. Like...
No, I know, but I don't remember what. Oh, maybe that's the one because I didn't like. It's my fault. I didn't like any of their options, anything they had, or I didn't need. So they were just like, let's just give you whatever random. That's why.
Well, that happens sometimes too. Like you know, there's nothing there you like, but I try to pick something from every category.
So it's my bad. My bad. Sorry, folks. But this box is normally like $50 a quarter.
It's seasonal.
But I think we bought ours for the year, so whoop whoop. That way it's out of the way. I think if you go online, not that we're going to give you a code or we're affiliated or anything, but if you go online, you usually can find for signing up like $10 off or 10% off or some kind of thing like that. If we find any of those links, I guess, or any coupon codes, we could put them down below if we see any. But you get quite a few things for your $50. I'm sure it's worth like $200.
At least it's a variety,
yeah. So,
and you get to choose. That's
some bonus stuff there. But let us know what you think of this box, or if you think it's too pricey for what we do get. And don't forget to subscribe, be part of our future giveaways. As I said, we'll do one at 150 subscribers. And I think we're only like 5 or 10 or something away from there.
Might be
so
less,
I'm sure we'll get there in no time at all with your help. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.